Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell from Snowjo, and today we're going to take a look at this cordless wet and dry vac. We're going to do an unboxing, that way you're going to get a chance to see everything that comes in the box. So let's get right to it. All right, so we've got these two boxes. In this one, the bigger one is our battery. There we go. And in the little guy here, we have our charger. It just plugs right into this little barrel connection right at the top there, just like that. All the parts for the vacuum are located inside the drum itself. We can start attaching the feet. And they just slot in to these. There we go. This is the filter that comes with the vacuum. This is the standard dust filter. And with a quick turn of that and pulling this off, you can now replace that with this piece of foam. This foam filter is for the wet function of the vacuum. It slips on like that. To install the dust bag on your vac, get the rubber gasket over the plastic nozzle right there. Make sure it's a nice seal. Open up the bag, and now you can put the top back on. So now that our vac's put together, it's ready to be used in the workshop, around the house, as a blower, or as a wet vac.